TikTok is a vibrant world of creativity, fun, and connection. This guide is made just for you. Simple, clear, and friendly. We'll start from downloading the app to creating your profile. Let's take that first step together and discover the joy of TikTok. This guide is your personal roadmap to setting up TikTok, completely visual so you see every step. From installing the app to posting your first video, we break it down into simple visual steps. You'll feel confident, learn at your own pace, and be ready to share your world. Let's get started. Before we begin, grab your smartphone or tablet, your creative canvas for TikTok. Make sure it's charged up so nothing interrupts your journey. Find a comfy spot, relax, and get ready to explore a world of creativity together. To get started, you need a connection to the internet, your bridge to the world, and TikTok. Use Wi-Fi at home or mobile data on the go. Just check for the Wi-Fi or 4G/5G symbol at the top of your screen. Once you're connected, you're ready to download TikTok and join the community. The final item on our list is your personal sign-in key. To create a unique and secure account just for you, TikTok needs a way to identify you. You have two simple options for this. You can use an email address or you can use a mobile phone number. It is completely up to you which one you feel more comfortable with. Both methods are safe and easy. This information is used to create your private account, a space on TikTok that belongs only to you. Think of it as the key to your new digital home, ensuring that only you can get inside. If you choose to use your email address, have it ready. You will need to know the full address, like mynum@email.com. If you decide to use your phone number, make sure you have that phone with you, as TikTok will send a text message with a code to verify it is really you. Do not worry. This is a standard security step to keep your account safe. If you do not have an email address or are unsure how to create one, this is another great time to ask a trusted friend or family member for a little help. They can guide you through setting one up in just a few minutes. This email or phone number will be linked to your account. It is important because it helps you if you ever forget your password. TikTok can send a reset link to your email or a code to your phone so you can get back into your account easily. So, be sure to use an email or phone number that you have access to. It is your safety net. You might want to write down the email address you decide to use, just so you have it handy for the next step. Being prepared with this little piece of information will make the sign-up process feel incredibly simple and fast. And that is it. That is everything you need to get ready. You have your device, you are connected to the internet, and you have your personal sign-in key, your email or phone number. See, the preparation is simple and straightforward. You have now gathered all your tools. You are fully prepared to take the next step and bring the TikTok app onto your device. You have done a wonderful job getting everything in order. Let's move on to the next part, where we will download the app and officially begin creating your very own TikTok account. Ready to get TikTok? First, find your device's app store, the blue app store for iPhones, or the colorful Play Store triangle for Androids. Tap the icon, then use the search bar, look for the magnifying glass. Type TikTok, hit search, and you'll see the app appear. You did it! Find the TikTok app at the top of your search results. Look for the black icon with a musical note. Tap the Get or Install button to start downloading. Watch as the download begins and the progress bar fills up. When it says Open, you're ready. TikTok is now on your device. Congratulations on this wonderful achievement. You have successfully brought the TikTok app onto your device. The hardest part is already over, and you did it perfectly. Now let's find that new icon on your phone or tablet's home screen. Take a moment to swipe through your pages of apps until you spot it. There it is, the black square with the colorful musical note. It stands out, full of promise for the fun that awaits inside. Seeing that icon on your own device is a great feeling. It means you are truly ready to begin your TikTok journey. It is a new tool in your creative toolbox. Now for the moment we have been waiting for. Let's open the app for the first time. Take a deep breath and gently tap on the TikTok icon. The screen will come to life and you will be greeted by the TikTok launch screen. You have officially stepped through the front door. The app will open up and you might even see a video start to play right away. This is TikTok's way of welcoming you and giving you a small taste of the content you can discover. It is a peek into the vibrant world we have been talking about. Do not worry about understanding everything on the screen just yet. When you open the app for the first time, it will likely ask you to agree to its terms and policies. This is a standard procedure for almost every app you use. It is like signing the guest book when you enter a new place. You can simply tap agree and continue to move forward. After that, TikTok might ask you to select a few of your interests, like comedy, animals, or cooking. This helps the app learn what kind of videos you might enjoy watching. You can pick a few things that sound fun to you, or you can choose to skip this step for now. You are now inside the app. It feels good, doesn't it? You have successfully navigated the setup from start to finish. You found the store, downloaded the app, and opened it up. You have taken all the necessary steps with confidence and care. Every click and tap has brought you here, to the starting line of a new adventure. You should be very proud of yourself for learning something new. Now, we are ready for the next chapter, creating your very own personal account. This is where you will carve out your own little space in the TikTok universe. You've done a fantastic job getting this far. The TikTok app is open, and you're ready to create your very own account, your personal space in the TikTok world. Look for the sign up button and tap it. This is your official starting point. We'll use your phone number or email, simple, secure, and just for you. Let's get started. On the TikTok sign-up screen, choose Use Phone or Email. Enter your birthday, then pick either the phone or email tab, whichever feels best for you. Both are secure and private. Enter your info, follow the prompts, and you're ready for the next step. Now, let's create your password, the key to your TikTok account. Choose something memorable for you but hard for others to guess. Avoid simple words or your name. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols like My Dog is Happy 24. As you type, the app hides your password for privacy. Tap the eye icon to check for mistakes. When you're happy, tap Next to confirm. You've secured your account. With your password set, you're ready to personalize your TikTok profile. Time to make your account yours. Let's pick a username. Your username is your unique address, like at Jane's Garden. It must be unique and can't have spaces. If your first choice is taken, try adding a number or word. Next, add your real name to your profile so friends can recognize you. Your username is your address. Your name is your welcome mat. You're building your online space. Great job! Let's add a profile picture to bring your account to life. Tap the circle to upload a photo or take a new one. Choose a clear, friendly image, maybe a smiling selfie or a favorite hobby. Adjust the photo to fit the circle, then confirm. Your profile now has a face, warm and welcoming. This small step makes your page feel personal. You're almost ready to connect and share. Add a finishing touch, a short bio. Tap Edit Profile, then write a sentence about yourself like gardener and dog lover. You can link other social accounts if you want, but it's optional. With your name, username, picture, and bio, your profile is complete. Take a look. You've created a welcoming space. Next, let's find your friends and family. Now let's connect with people you know. TikTok can scan your phone contacts to find friends. Just allow permission if you want. Tap follow next to anyone you recognize. You can also search for people by name or username. Follow who you like. You're in control. When you follow someone, they'll get a notification and can follow you back. Building your TikTok community starts with familiar faces. Let's tour TikTok's main features. Home. Watch videos from friends and creators. Discover, tap the magnifying glass to explore trending topics and hashtags. Create, the plus sign lets you make your own videos. Inbox. Check notifications and messages. Profile. Visit your page to see your info and videos. With these 5 icons, you're ready to explore TikTok confidently. On TikTok, you control your personal space. Your profile is your digital home. Set it public or private and decide who can see your videos. Adjust privacy settings anytime, approve followers, and choose who interacts with you. These tools help you share confidently and enjoy TikTok on your own terms. This is the moment we've been waiting for. It's time to create your first TikTok video. Just tap the plus sign at the bottom of your screen, your key to creativity. The camera will turn on, showing the world in front of you. The big red button is your record button. Take a deep breath, capture a moment, and enjoy the process. Ready to capture your moment? Just point your camera, press and hold the red record button, and film a short clip, maybe 5 to 10 seconds. Lift your finger to stop. That's it. You've just recorded your first video. Be proud. You're now a video creator. Welcome to the editing screen. Here you can add music, text, and effects to make your video special, like seasoning a dish. Tap Add Sound to explore TikTok's music library and pick a song that fits your vibe. Add text by tapping the AA icon, then type your message and style it however you like. Once you're happy, tap Next to share your creation with the world. You've reached the final step. Your video is ready to share. Add a caption, maybe a hashtag, and choose who can see your creation. When you're ready, tap post. Congratulations! You've shared your first TikTok video. Be proud. Embrace the TikTok community by showing appreciation. Just tap the heart when a video makes you smile or inspires you. That simple like is a small round of applause for creators. And if you love someone's content, follow them to see more and build your own positive feed. Beyond liking and following, the most personal way to connect with others is by leaving a comment. This is how you can start a friendly conversation and share your thoughts directly with the creator and the community. Below the heart icon on the right side of the video, you will see an icon that looks like a speech bubble. Tapping this bubble will open up the comment section for that video. Here, you can read what other people have said and, most importantly, add your own voice to the conversation. It is a wonderful way to engage more deeply with the content you are enjoying on the platform. To leave your own comment, just tap on the area that says Add Comment at the bottom of the screen. Your keyboard will appear, and you can type out your message. It does not have to be long or clever. A simple, kind comment can make a creator's day. You could write something like, "This is such a beautiful garden. Thank you for sharing." Or, "Your dog is so funny. This made me laugh out loud." Or even just, "What a great idea." These warm messages build a sense of connection and make the platform feel like a friendly neighborhood where people support and encourage one another. When you leave a comment, the creator will receive a notification. They might even reply directly to you, starting a lovely little exchange. This is how friendships can form on the platform. You might also find that other viewers like your comment or reply to it, building a thread of conversation around a shared interest. This is the heart of the community in action. It is people from all walks of life coming together to share a moment of connection over a short video. Remember to always be kind and respectful in your comments, just as you would when speaking to a friend in your own home. Engaging with others in this way, through likes, follows, and comments, is what truly makes you a member of the TikTok community. It is a cycle of positive interaction. You share a video, someone leaves a kind comment, which makes you feel good. Then, you see a video you love and leave a nice comment for someone else, making them feel good in return. This is how we build a supportive and uplifting online space together. You are now fully equipped not just to watch or create, but to connect. You have all the tools to be a wonderful, positive presence in this vibrant new world. Congratulations, you have done it! You have successfully navigated every step of this journey, from downloading the app to sharing your very first video. You have built a beautiful profile that reflects who you are, and you have learned how to connect with friends and join the vibrant TikTok community. Take a moment to feel proud of this wonderful accomplishment. You have embraced a new technology with an open heart and a curious spirit. You have proven that learning something new is possible at any age, and you did it with grace and confidence. This guide was just the starting point, the gentle push to get you started on your own creative path. Remember that TikTok is a place for fun and exploration. Do not ever feel pressured to be perfect. The true joy of the platform lies in its authenticity. It is about sharing real moments, learning new things, and laughing together. Take your time as you continue to explore. Scroll through videos that make you happy. Leave kind comments that lift others up. And when you feel inspired, share another little piece of your world. Let the app be a source of delight and connection in your day. This is your space to enjoy, on your own terms and at your own pace. There are no rules except to be kind and have fun. If you ever feel a little lost or have a question, do not hesitate to ask for help. A family member or a trusted friend can be a wonderful resource. You can also revisit this guide whenever you need a little reminder. Learning is a continuous journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself as you become more and more comfortable with the app. Every time you open it, you will discover something new. That is the beauty of it. Your adventure on TikTok is not over. In fact, it has only just begun. The community is lucky to have you as a part of it. So go ahead, open the app, and see what wonderful things await you today. Enjoy the process of creating, sharing, and connecting with others. Thank you for letting me be your guide on this exciting new chapter. I hope you have found this visual journey to be helpful and reassuring. Now go forward and fill your corner of the TikTok world with your unique light and joy. The world is excited to see what you have to share. Happy TikToking, my friend. Your wonderful journey is just getting started and the possibilities are endless.